I think the unique thing about Resource is that our clients come in wanting to solve a problem. They're not actually looking for a specific piece of furniture, although they know that furniture is going to solve the problem.
They come in knowing that we are design experts, we're small space experts, and they realize that we can actually solve some problems in their life. We start to look at the floor plan that they have and how we can maximize it with our furniture. Resource is completely different from other showroom experiences. Our furniture, because of the nature of it being transforming, needs to be demonstrated. We'll go through and demonstrate some of the furniture and then talk about what finishes they like. And then we'll start to play around with some different layouts. We have a fantastic design team in place. They are experts at small spaces and in space planning, and we can create floor plans in the moment. While a client's already in the showroom, we can take advantage of the time that they're there and create a floor plan for them, create a 3D rendering for them so that they can get a sense of how the furniture is going to look in their space. One of the things that I love about working at Resource is that we know all of our vendors. We have personal relationships with them. We've been to the factory. We know their capacity. We know who works there. And we have the ability to have a conversation about a custom detail that other showrooms may not have the ability to do. So we offer some really custom solutions that make our furniture unique.